have some Swedish hot dogs. Bun limited hot dogs, buns, and my old pal Idahoan perfect mash. Recognize. These are decent dogs. What a song, right? Decent dogs. And well, you were away. Got a little stick. Just gonna do these. Like right the side, but oh, maybe try and do it again. Yeah, try and do them on the fire. Okay. But these were jumbo hot dog rolls. Look at the size of that. Right, we're getting a boil here. Let's go. I think it's maybe too much water. Come on. Look at that. Mash it. Right. Look at the mash in. There's our boy. It's a Swedish hot dog. And if you don't believe me, go and try one in IKEA. Oh.